Once you're on EWIstore.co.uk, all you need to do is press this button here, Render Colouring Tool. To select your own home to edit, all you need to do is make sure you have a photograph of your house saved on your computer. Press Open File, then press Open File again. Then all you need to do is search for the photo you've saved on your computer and press Open. Now if you just press Start, as you can see there are a selection of tools to the left on the toolbar. The first tool allows you to move the image around the screen. The second tool I will come to in a minute, and you'll know why in a second. The third tool down allows you to make selections of the house and the area that you want to select to render. Whenever you want to change direction, you just have to press. So all you have to do now, if you go to that second tool, you can move that around just by clicking on it. If you don't do this and you do this on the custom selection tool, you will just end up drawing another one. The fourth tool down is a cutting tool. This is useful if you have things like windows and you want to cut a hole in your selection. As you can see here, I've cut a square out. Okay, this next tool here is a colour selection tool. If you already have a colour on your house selected from one of the below colour choices and you want to find it again without having to look through them all, you just press this tool and you just press onto it, and then it will find that colour again for you. As you can see to the right here, you can change the opacity of the layer if you want it to be more realistic or more opaque. Here you can also add layers if you wish, similar to Photoshop. Okay, here is all the colour selections we have. Every single one of these colours is a real colour that we sell that you can have as a render on your property. Here you can see we have a morning, noon and evening button, so you can actually see how these colours will look in these different lightings throughout the day. Here you can save the file. You just press Save File, type in the name you wish to save it as and select the destination you wish to save it in, then press Save. And here I'm just going to quickly do one for you just to show you the end result of using this tool. This is a second house example just to show you the versatility of this tool. It works on lots of different house types. This is a really great tool if you just want to get a basic idea of how your house will look rendered. There you have it. Those are the final results of using this tool.